Hey there, viewers! Today we're going to dive into ways to cleanse the digestive system naturally, focusing on how to keep your colon clean and detox your digestive system. Make sure to watch until the end to learn about the 7-day Digestive Cleanse Challenge. Naturally detox your digestive system. We've included sources of the information in the video description. Today, we're diving into the world of natural ways to cleanse the digestive system, focusing on keeping the colon clean and detoxing the digestive system. Digestive health is crucial for overall well-being, and by incorporating natural cleansing methods, you can support your body in functioning at its best. Our digestive system plays a vital role in absorbing nutrients, eliminating waste, and maintaining a healthy immune system. When our digestive system isn't functioning optimally, it can lead to various health issues such as bloating, constipation, and even a weakened immune system. By prioritizing digestive health, we can enhance our overall wellness and vitality. Natural cleansing methods, such as consuming fiber-rich foods, staying hydrated, and incorporating herbs and supplements, can help support the body's natural detoxification processes. These methods aid in flushing out toxins, promoting regular bowel movements, and improving nutrient absorption. By opting for natural cleansing methods, you can support your body in maintaining a healthy digestive system without harsh chemicals or extreme measures. A clean digestive system is not only essential for physical health, but also has a significant impact on mental and emotional well-being. When our digestive system is functioning well, we experience increased energy levels, improved mood, and better concentration. By detoxing the digestive system naturally, you can feel lighter, more vibrant, and experience a renewed sense of vitality in your daily life. Let's delve into the fascinating world of the digestive system and unravel its intricate functions, with a special focus on the role of the colon in this complex process. The digestive system comprises key components such as the stomach, intestines, and colon, all working together seamlessly to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. The digestive system begins its journey in the stomach, where food is churned and mixed with digestive enzymes. From there, the partially digested food moves into the intestines, where nutrient absorption takes place. Finally, the waste material enters the colon, also known as the large intestine, where water is absorbed and solid waste is formed before being eliminated from the body. The colon plays a crucial role in overall digestion and waste elimination. It is responsible for reabsorbing water and electrolytes, as well as forming and storing feces until they are ready to be expelled. A healthy colon ensures efficient waste removal and helps maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for optimal digestion and immune function. Common digestive issues. When the colon is not functioning properly, it can lead to a variety of digestive issues, such as constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. An unhealthy colon can also contribute to nutrient malabsorption, inflammation, and an imbalance in gut bacteria, impacting overall digestive health and well-being. By understanding the intricate workings of the digestive system and the pivotal role of the colon, you can take proactive steps to support your digestive health and promote a happy gut. Stay tuned for practical tips on how to keep your colon healthy and your digestive system thriving. Natural cleansing methods. Are you looking to give your digestive system a gentle reset and keep your colon squeaky clean? Look no further. Today, we're exploring a range of natural ways to cleanse your digestive system and support optimal gut health. From dietary tweaks to herbal remedies, we've got you covered. Dietary changes. One of the simplest and most effective ways to cleanse your digestive system naturally is by making dietary changes. Increase your fiber intake by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your meals. Fiber helps promote regular bowel movements and aids in waste elimination. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day can support digestion and prevent constipation. Herbal teas, probiotics, and fermented foods. Herbal teas, such as peppermint, ginger, and dandelion, can aid in digestion, reduce bloating, and support liver function. Probiotics, found in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, promoting optimal digestion and immune function. Fermented foods also contain beneficial enzymes and nutrients that support overall gut health. Physical activity and stress management. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine can benefit your digestive system by promoting healthy bowel movements and reducing bloating. Exercise helps stimulate the muscles in your digestive tract, aiding in the movement of food and waste. Additionally, managing stress through practices like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can have a positive impact on gut health. Stress can disrupt digestion and contribute to digestive issues, so finding ways to relax and unwind is key to a healthy gut. By incorporating these natural cleansing methods into your daily routine, you can support your digestive system, keep your colon clean, and promote overall gut health. Stay tuned for more tips on nurturing your gut naturally, detoxifying the digestive system. Ready to give your digestive system a deep cleanse and boost your overall gut health? Today, we're diving into effective methods to detoxify your digestive system naturally, supporting your body's detox processes and promoting digestive balance. Let's explore some powerful strategies to revitalize your gut health. Intermittent fasting and juice cleanses. Intermittent fasting, where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting, can help give your digestive system a break and promote detoxification. By allowing your body time to rest and repair, intermittent fasting supports the elimination of toxins and waste buildup. Juice cleanses, which involve consuming nutrient-rich juices for a set period, can also aid in detoxifying the digestive system and providing essential vitamins and minerals for optimal gut health. Role of antioxidants and nutrients. Antioxidants play a crucial role in supporting the body's detox processes by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts into your diet can help protect your cells and promote detoxification. Essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium also play key roles in supporting liver function and detox pathways. Importance of regular detox routines. Maintaining regular detox routines is essential for promoting digestive balance and overall gut health. By incorporating detox practices into your lifestyle consistently, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes, reduce inflammation, and improve nutrient absorption. Regular detox routines can also help prevent digestive issues and promote a healthy gut microbiome. By embracing these effective methods to detoxify your digestive system, you can revitalize your gut health, support your body's detox processes, and enhance overall well-being. Stay tuned for more tips on nurturing your digestive system and promoting a happy gut. Watch until the end to learn about the 7-day Digestive Cleanse Challenge to naturally detox your digestive system. Your colon plays a vital role in your digestive system, and caring for it is essential for preventing digestive issues and promoting overall gut health. Today, we're sharing valuable tips on how to specifically care for your colon, ensuring it stays healthy and functions optimally. Let's dive into ways to support your colon health and keep your digestive system in top shape. One of the best ways to care for your colon is by scheduling regular screenings and checkups with your healthcare provider. Colonoscopies and other screening tests can help detect any potential issues early on, such as polyps or signs of colorectal cancer. Early detection is key to successful treatment and can significantly improve outcomes for colon health. Getting my first colon screening was nerve-wracking, but the peace of mind it brought was worth it. Knowing that I'm taking steps to prevent future issues makes me feel empowered and proactive about my health. Impact of a balanced diet. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is crucial for maintaining colon health. These fiber-rich foods help promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals, you can provide essential nutrients and antioxidants that nourish your colon and support optimal digestive function. Switching to a more balanced diet was one of the best decisions I ever made. It's not just about feeling full, but feeling nourished, and I've noticed how much better my body operates when I'm mindful of what I eat. Natural supplements for colon cleansing. In addition to a healthy diet, natural supplements like psyllium husk can aid in colon cleansing and support digestive health. Psyllium husk is a soluble fiber that acts as a gentle laxative, promoting regularity and waste elimination. Adding psyllium husk to your daily routine can help keep your colon clean and functioning smoothly. I've found that supplements like psyllium husk are a great addition to my routine. They provide that extra boost when I need it, and I've been amazed at how much lighter and more comfortable I feel. By following these tips and incorporating regular colon screenings, a balanced diet, and natural supplements into your lifestyle, you can proactively care for your colon and prevent digestive issues. Remember, a healthy colon is the cornerstone of a healthy digestive system. As we start wrapping up our exploration of digestive health and natural cleansing methods, it's crucial to reflect on the key points we've discussed so far and empower you to prioritize your digestive well-being. By incorporating simple yet effective strategies into your daily routine, you can support your digestive system, keep your colon clean, and promote overall gut health. Importance of natural cleansing methods. We've highlighted the significance of natural cleansing methods in maintaining a healthy digestive system. From dietary changes and herbal remedies to detox routines and supplements, these natural approaches can help detoxify your digestive system, support waste elimination, and enhance nutrient absorption. Embracing these methods can lead to a happier gut and improved overall well-being. Taking action for digestive health. Now is the time to take action and implement the tips shared in this video. Whether it's increasing your fiber intake, trying intermittent fasting, or scheduling a colon screening, small changes can make a big difference in supporting your digestive health. By prioritizing your gut health, you're investing in your long-term wellness and vitality. The 7-Day Digestive Cleanse Challenge. Naturally detox your digestive system. Day 1, Hydration Boost. Action. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Tip. Drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day to help flush out toxins and keep your digestive system hydrated. Day 2, Increase fiber intake. Action. Add high-fiber foods like apples, berries, and oatmeal to your meals. Tip. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily to help cleanse your colon and support regular bowel movements. Day 3. Incorporate probiotics action. Include probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi in your diet. Tip. Probiotics help balance your gut bacteria and support a healthy digestive system. Day 4. Eat prebiotic foods. Action. Add prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, leeks, and asparagus to your meals. Tip. Prebiotics feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. Day 5. Enjoy herbal teas. Action. Drink herbal teas such as peppermint, ginger, or dandelion root tea. Tip. Herbal teas can soothe the digestive system, reduce bloating, and support detoxification. Day 6. Practice mindful eating action. Eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly. Tip. Mindful eating helps improve digestion and allows your body to absorb nutrients more effectively. Day 7. Regular physical activity. Action. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise such as walking, yoga, or cycling. Tip. Physical activity stimulates digestion and helps move waste through your digestive system. Follow-up tips. Stay consistent. Continue incorporating these habits into your daily routine for long-term digestive health. Rotate foods, Introduce a variety of high-fiber, probiotic, and prebiotic foods to keep your diet interesting and diverse. Monitor your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to these changes and adjust as needed to optimize your gut health. Participating in the 7-day Digestive Cleanse Challenge was transformative for my gut health and mental wellness. Starting with hydration and gradually incorporating high-fiber, probiotic, and prebiotic foods, I noticed significant improvements in my digestion. Drinking herbal teas and practicing mindful eating further enhanced my digestive comfort, while regular physical activity boosted my energy levels. By the end of the week, my bowel movements were more regular, bloating was reduced, and my overall energy and mental clarity improved. This challenge highlighted the strong connection between gut health and mental wellness, and the simple daily practices have now become part of my routine, helping me maintain optimal gut health and mental well-being. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on gut health and wellness, and much more. Check out this related video, and I'll see you in the next video.